First step is turn off the water right here. Unthread that, and then take out this stuff. Undo the bolts at the bottom, which are those right there. And then wish me luck. Will it fit? Bet you 20 bucks it won't. But if it doesn't fit, then we'll have to adjust those. It is what it is, right? You literally can't be kidding me right now, dude. It fit. Not only did it fit perfect. Wow, okay. I was not expecting that. Holy cow. That's once in a lifetime opportunity. I mean, seriously. No, there's no way. Something's gonna go wrong. Something's gonna go wrong. I'm actually gonna take this back off and change the wax. Put a brand new wax on there. But something's gonna go wrong. Okay. We have these, which I really like, but it's not gonna work because it's cast iron and the pipe is all scaled up, so this little sleeve would probably have a hard time going in there. So I'm gonna go with the standard here. Probably reuse this one, but see all the scale and calcium buildup? I don't know, that sleeve might be all right, but dude, are you kidding me? Nothing's going wrong yet? So these are just like regular toilet flange bolts. Now for the, I used to call them flush-o-meters. Whoops, nope. The way this works. And that goes like that. But I did buy a kit to rebuild this, but I don't know. Everything's functioning all right. It's not leaking. Although one of the washer, you know what? I'm just gonna redo this real quick. Okay, so that comes out. This one was in here. What I'm missing is this. It goes like that. Right like that. It's kind of spooky how this is all perfect. This might be where we're screwed. Well, not screwed, but this might be too short right here. But we'll give it a try. We'll test it and see. What are the odds that everything was perfect? Well, low-key, I'm nervous right now. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Make sure it's not wet down here. All right. All right, did a little caulk job. Now it's time for a cock job. If you catch my drift. There ain't no man in this world that's gonna pee in my urinal before me. Promise you that. Oh yeah. Let's see how it works with real pee in it. Oh yeah.